Breaking alert from Persian Gulf. U.S. Navy destroyer under attack. Not missiles, not aircraft. Drones. 15 drones. Kamikaze swarm, converging from multiple directions. This is happening now. It's 11:23 p.m. local time. USS Porter DDG-78. Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer. 9,000 tons. Aegis combat system. 330 crew. Transiting Strait of Hormuz. Standard patrol. Freedom of navigation. Then radar contacts appear. Small targets, low altitude, slow speed. Not traditional aircraft, not cruise missiles, drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles, Iranian launch from coastal bases. Keshem Island. Revolutionary Guard facilities. They're coming fast. First wave, 5 drones, bearing down from north. Altitude 500 feet, speed 80 knots. Small radar cross-section. Difficult to track, but Aegis radar picks them up. Computer systems calculating intercept. Weapons systems responding. Navy alert monitoring this unprecedented attack. Real-time coverage, breaking updates, new warfare, drone swarms. Future is now. At 11:26 p.m., the Porter goes to general quarters, battle stations, all hands responding, weapons crews manning systems, combat information center fully staffed, captain on bridge. This is real-world engagement. Live fire imminent. American destroyer under attack in international waters. Should Navy destroyers operate in Persian Gulf? Comment Y or N. The drones close rapidly. 4 miles. 3 miles, 2 miles, targeting solution locks, fire control tracking. These aren't reconnaissance drones. These are attack drones, explosive payloads, suicide mission, Iranian asymmetric warfare, cheap drones against expensive warship, cost-benefit calculation. 1 drone costs $10,000, destroyer costs $2 billion. Math favors Iran. Close-in weapon system activates. Phalanx CIWS 6-barrel 20mm Gatling gun, radar-guided, autonomous engagement. Designed for anti-missile defense, now engaging drones, the Phalanx rotates, tracking first target, lock achieved, system fires. Brrrr-T. Distinctive sound, 4,500 rounds per minute, tracer rounds visible, red streaks in night sky, first drone disintegrates, direct hit. Debris falling into water. 1 down, 14 remaining. Second drone engaged, Phalanx tracking, firing. Another burst. Drone explodes, fireball in darkness. 2 down, but more drones coming. Second wave detected. Another 5 drones, different bearing. Eastern approach, coordinated attack, multiple vectors, overwhelming defenses through numbers. Hit like if you support our Navy under fire? The Porter's crew manning additional weapons, 50 caliber machine guns, 25mm chain guns, manual targeting, visual engagement, sailors tracking drones, leading targets, firing, tracers arcing, some rounds connecting, some missing, drones small, fast maneuvering, difficult targets even for trained gunners. Third drone destroyed, machine gun fire, multiple hits, drone tumbles, crashes into water. 3 down, 12 remaining, but attack intensifying. Third wave launches from shore. 5 more drones, total 15 now. Swarm tactics, saturation attack, testing American defenses, looking for weaknesses. How many drones can a destroyer engage simultaneously? A, 5 drones. B, 10 drones. C, 20 drones. At 11:31 p.m., first drone penetrates inner defense zone, 500 yards, close, too close. Sailors see it clearly, small aircraft, 4 rotors, quadcopter design, explosive package underneath, coming straight at ship, Phalanx engaging, tracer stream connecting, drone hit, but keeps coming, damaged but flying, 30 seconds from impact. Sailor with 50 caliber opens fire, long burst, rounds walking onto target, drone explodes, 200 yards from ship, close call, fragments patter against hull, no damage, no casualties, but too close, way too close. Navy alert sources confirm these are Iranian Shahed series drones, proven design, combat tested, used in Yemen, Iraq, Syria, now attacking American warship, 50-pound warhead, enough to damage destroyer, kill sailors, mission kill possible, total loss unlikely, but casualties probable if impact occurs. Fourth and fifth drones destroyed, Phalanx working overtime, barrels heating, ammunition depleting, 6,000 rounds expended. Magazine holds 1,500 rounds per side. 2 Phalanx systems aboard. Ammunition management critical. Can't run dry. Reload teams standing by. Second wave drones closing. Eastern approach. 3 miles. Phalanx reorienting. Tracking new threats. Aegis system coordinating. Computer allocating targets. Optimizing engagement sequence. Artificial intelligence assisting. Human gunners executing. Man-machine team. Technology and training combined. Is drone warfare the future? Comment yes or no. Sixth drone engaged. Distance 2 miles. Phalanx firing. Long burst. Drone continues. Miss recalculating. Second burst. Drone hit. Destroyed. 6 down. 9 remaining. But ammunition depleting. Phalanx magazine shows 60% remaining. Math becoming concerning. 15 drones, 2 Phalanx systems, limited ammunition, rate problem, endurance question. At 11:34 p.m., electronic warfare systems activate. Jamming equipment. Radio frequency interference. Attempting to disrupt drone control signals. Break communication links. Force drones to crash or return to base. Electronic attack, non-kinetic warfare. But Iranian drones have autonomous capability. GPS navigation, waypoint flying, jamming partially effective only. 2 drones lose control, circling, confused, electronic warfare working. They crash into water, 7 and 8 down, 7 remaining, but still dangerous, still attacking, still capable. Third wave arriving, southern approach, 5 drones, timing coordinated, multiple vectors, eastern and southern simultaneously, classic tactics, divide defenses, overwhelm systems, force target prioritization, create gaps, exploit weaknesses. If you want breaking naval news, type Navy alert below. The Porter's captain orders Sparrow missile launch. RIM 162 ESSM. Evolved Sparrow missile, designed for aircraft, capable against drones. Expensive solution. 1 missile costs $1 million against $10,000 drone, but effectiveness matters more than cost when under attack. Missile launches, vertical launch cell opens, rocket motor ignites, ESSM accelerates, Mach 4 speed, active radar homing, locking on drone cluster, southern approach, multiple targets grouped, missile closes, proximity fuse triggers, warhead detonates, fragmentation pattern. 3 drones destroyed simultaneously. 9, 10, 11 down, 4 remaining. Expensive but effective. 9th drone engaged by machine gun. Sailor tracking, leading target, firing, sustained burst, drone hit, falls into water. 12 down, 3 remaining. All from eastern approach, closing fast, 1 mile out, critical range. How will this drone attack end? Comment your prediction. Phalanx engages remaining 3 drones. Rapid succession. First drone tracked, locked, destroyed, 13 down. Second drone tracking, firing, hit, disintegrates, 14 down, 1 remaining. Final drone closing fast, 500 yards. Phalanx tracking, firing, long burst. Ammunition counter dropping, 90 rounds remaining. Drone hit, but still flying, damaged, smoking, descending. But trajectory maintained, heading for ship, 200 yards, 100. Impact imminent. All weapons engaging, machine guns, chain guns, Phalanx. Everything firing, convergent fire, multiple hit. Drone breaks apart, 50 yards from hull. Crashes into water, 15 down, attack defeated. Ceasefire called at 11:39 p.m. 16-minute engagement, 15 drones destroyed, 0 impacts, 0 casualties, 0 damage, successful defense, but close calls, multiple near misses, ammunition depleted, Sea Sparrow missile expended, Phalanx magazines down to 20%. If 16th drone appeared, ammunition might not suffice. The Porter maintains alert status. Weapons crews remain stationed, scanning for additional threats, reloading systems, replenishing ammunition, ready for second attack, because Iranian bases still operational. More drones available, follow-up attack possible, probable even. Update: U.S. Central Command notified 5th Fleet Headquarters. Admiral briefed, Pentagon monitoring. White House Situation Room activated. This is first drone swarm attack against American warship. Historic engagement, new warfare, precedent established, future predicted. Intelligence analysis begins immediately. How many drones total does Iran have? Thousands, probably. How many bases? Dozens. How many could launch simultaneously? Hundreds, potentially. Math terrifying. 15 drones nearly overwhelmed destroyer. What about 50 drones? 100. Defenses inadequate. Systems insufficient. Doctrine outdated. Iranian state media celebrates attack. Revolutionary Guard demonstrates drone capability against American aggressor. Video released. Launch footage. Drone swarms departing. Professional propaganda. Message sent. We can attack your ships. We have technology. We have numbers. We have will. Pentagon responds cautiously. U.S. Navy destroyer successfully defended against drone attack in international waters. All systems performed as designed. Crew responded professionally. No casualties, no damage. Translation: we survived, but barely. This is problem. Big problem. Requires solution. Fast. Technology race accelerates. Laser weapons needed. Directed energy. Unlimited ammunition. Speed of light engagement. Northrop Grumman developing systems. Lockheed Martin testing prototypes. Navy demanding deployment. Soon. Very soon. Because kinetic weapons insufficient. Bullets run out. Missiles cost fortunes. Drones cheap. Numbers overwhelming. The Porter continues patrol after engagement. Can't retreat. Can't show weakness. Mission continues. Presence maintained. But procedures changed. Electronic warfare continuous. Radar coverage enhanced. Weapons systems ready. Ammunition restocked from supply ship. Learning from experience. Adapting to threat. Regional tensions spike. Iran demonstrates capability. America demonstrates vulnerability. Allies nervous. Israel watching closely. Saudi Arabia concerned. UAE worried. If destroyer barely defeated 15 drones, what about their smaller navies? Their patrol boats? Their oil facilities? Drone warfare democratizes violence, levels playing field. Cheap weapons threaten expensive assets. Commercial shipping reacts. Insurance rates increase. Some companies reroute. Avoid Strait of Hormuz. Longer routes. Higher costs. Economic impact. Supply chain disruption. Oil prices spike. Drone attack affects global economy. Local violence. Worldwide consequences. Interconnected world. Maritime security matters. Counter-drone technology deployment accelerates. Every destroyer getting upgrades. Enhanced radar. Better sensors. More ammunition. Laser weapons priority. Electronic warfare improvements. Artificial intelligence integration. Machine learning targeting. Autonomous engagement. Human-machine teaming. Evolution through necessity. Adaptation through survival. Training exercises increase. Drone scenarios. Swarm tactics. Saturation attacks. Sailors practicing. Gunners refining skills. Commanders developing doctrine, learning lessons before next attack, because next attack coming. Question is when, not if. Iranian capability demonstrated, intent proven. Deterrence failed, defense essential. This engagement reveals future warfare. Not aircraft carriers, not submarines, not missiles. Drones, small, cheap, numerous, expendable, coordinated, autonomous, swarms overwhelming defenses, quantity beating quality, numbers defeating technology, New paradigm, old equations obsolete, adaptation required immediately. Final status: historic drone swarm attack defeated. 15 Iranian drones destroyed, U.S. Navy destroyer successfully defended. 0 American casualties, 0 damage. But vulnerabilities exposed, limitations revealed, ammunition concerns, system constraints, future threats identified, countermeasures needed. Technology race intensified, drone warfare arrived, Navy adapting, enemies watching, future uncertain. The answer? C. Modern destroyers can theoretically engage 20 drones simultaneously with multiple weapon systems. Phalanx, Sparrow, machine guns, chain guns, electronic warfare. But ammunition limits reality. 15 drones, nearly depleted magazines. 20 drones might succeed. 30 definitely would. Math favors attackers. Numbers matter. Technology helps. But quantity has quality all its own. Should Navy accelerate laser weapon deployment? Will Iran launch larger drone swarms? Can traditional defenses defeat future attacks? Hit like if you want real-time combat coverage. Subscribe to Navy Alert, where maritime news breaks first. Drone warfare, electronic combat, future battles, present dangers, real-time reporting, expert analysis, combat coverage. This is what we do. This is why it matters. This is Navy Alert, where warfare evolves, where news breaks, where truth matters.